Good morning, fellow crazy car fan people of the internet. We got something interesting today. My friend's Mercedes, it's an old Mercedes 97. It's actually an E230 imported from Germany. Same engine as a C230. Her tensioner bearing gave out. This is the pulley, and this is what's left of the bearing. Half of it or so. And the problem is, can't get the part for a couple of days. Nobody in town stocks it, and it's parked where it can't be left. So I had a crazy thought to see if we could temporarily get her home with a fix, a high-tech fix. So the mad scientist in me wants to do an experiment. Can we 3D print a bearing that'll last long enough to get this car home? It's about 5 kilometers or so. Not that far, but there's there's going to be tension on this pulley. It's running the serpentine belt, and if that fails, we don't have a water pump, so we'd be up S Creek there. But let me just show you here. No, it'll take a hot minute. So here we are. We've got this thing knocked out. It took 13 grams of filament in almost 2 hours, but here she is. Will it work? I don't know. Possibly. Technically, it's a bearing. Let's get some grease in it and see if it's going to go. Get some just silicone grease put in this bearing here. Well, there we go. She's in. This is either going to be one of those brilliant things that go down in history as, remember that time we did this? Or it's going to be a total fail and just explode and throw plastic in our face. So I'm going to take you along for the ride, and you can check this out. It should be, if nothing else, it should be very interesting. And there wasn't even alcohol involved in this decision. That's the craziest part. All right, we'll see you at the car. I don't know about this, you know.
you try, right?
Yeah. See if we can get the belt on here. It might just explode immediately, and then we'll just pull it on the trailer. But you know what? It'll be fun.
I like that you just tried like that.
Yeah, why not, right?
Quite literally have no experience under hoods or anything, so I'm going to watch. I'm like, hey, you just try it. That's all I care about.
Exactly.
Still ready. but I don't think I can do it on this side either. There we go.
Is everything lined up? Uh-oh, that better be. We're slipping.
Yeah.
Move your fingers, please.
No, we're good.
Yeah, I don't want to.
No, they weren't in there. It's okay.
Okay. Wow.
Ow.
Okay. So?
All we can do is try now.
So do I just start the car
Yep.
and grab that bar there too?
Yep. Place your bets. Is it going to be 2 seconds? Is it going to be 2 miles?
It's gonna make it all the way.
And should fight either way, I don't think, so I don't know if I want to.
Oh. Losing my tools. Where are you losing parts?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have high hopes for it, but nope. Okay, shut it out. The bearing already failed. There's little pieces of it here. So,
Threading, basically.
Oh, no way.
yeah, don't try that at home, kids. Okay, yeah, it already fucked up there. I don't like how this has this.
It's the
I guess
dumbest
it'll run long enough to get it on a trailer, though.
thing. Yeah, that works for me. Oh! It fell off!
Come on, you lost your belt.
It's okay, you just go straight now.
That was whoa, that way a bit. Okay, that way a bit. Okay. Okay, hang on, straighten out a little more. A little bit more that way. Okay. Okay. Race car driver. Let her down.
I don't think that belt's attached anymore.
You definitely ejected the belt.
Yeah, the belt just got thrown up. She can't get out.
Oh, hang on, we can lower the.
He says we can lower these.
Are you stuck? Do you want to just ride in there or what?
That was priceless.
At least take the parts and get it right back to us. So, who had 2 minutes or 2 seconds instead of 2
I
miles?
said it wasn't happening.
Okay, yeah, you win.
It was not happening.
If you want a pulley.
A pulley with nothing in the center.
At least we had a backup plan.
Okay, so
All right, let's get this thing home. Hello again, Ben. And hello to you guys. It's been a couple days now, but parts are in. We've got a new serpentine belt and a new pulley with bearing. So yeah, now that all fun games are over, hope you guys all found that entertaining or comical, or you got something out of it. And if you just fast forward to this point, that's fine too. We're going to put the proper parts in this old boy and hopefully get it back on the road. The old boy needs a little prop up now and then. Forgot about the service position. You just have to push that, and loads of room. So here's the result of our little fun the other day. Nuts still on here, and a bunch of melted plastic. So yeah, that didn't work so good. Let's get the plastic cleaned off, and then we'll get the new parts on. Much left of that bearing, is there? Now you can install an Allen key or a pin or something in here to lock this, so let's see if I got the right size handy. There we go. Pin is in. Now we can put our nice shiny pulley in place. I'm going to put a little bit of medium thread locker on here, the blue stuff. Oh, way too much. .15mm socket, and we're going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Here's our belt. It's gonna be hard to show, but I'll get it on there and then I'll show you guys the routing afterwards. Deal? Yeah. Okay. So here's what it's gonna look like when you're just about done. And then the last step you're gonna want to do is slide it onto the smooth tensioner there. So if you have an external Torx bit, an E10 will fit on the end of that bolt for the tensioner, and then you'll be able to loosen it like this. Slip the belt on and make sure you're in all the right ribs on all the pulleys, and release the tension. And it's always good practice to put the lettering on the belts facing this way. It doesn't matter to the belt, but if you take this off and put it back on, it's best to put it back in the same direction you had it on if you're re-putting a used belt back on for some reason, if you're doing servicing. So it's always good practice to do it that way. And now he's rebelted. Here's the belt diagram without air conditioning and with air conditioning. That's the one we used there. Right, there we go. She's a runner. He's a runner. Ben's a runner. hope you enjoyed some of the comedy and just things you wanted to try on this video. It was more for entertainment than for informity on this one, but it was certainly fun to do. If you enjoyed it in some way, please consider liking, subscribing, and above all else, have yourself an amazing day. Ciao for now.